Hey there, my friends. Welcome to YouTube for Affiliate Marketers with Coach Kirk Shenta. Um, this video today is going to be for you if you feel like you're struggling to get leads in your affiliate marketing business and you know you should be making videos for your business, but you don't know where to begin to even start the process of making videos. That's what we're going to talk about today. I am Coach Kirk Shenta Turnip Seed from 𝐻𝐸𝐷𝐿ikeShin.com. And more specifically in this video today, you're going to learn a 5-step video creation process so that you can get started making YouTube videos for your affiliate marketing business. And the great thing to know is that today's video will especially help those of you who are watching this who are fearful of making videos because you don't want to show your face, right? You can still make videos without showing your face like I'm doing right now, and get leads in your affiliate business so that you can get the sales that you want. So that this video today is going to help you. So you're definitely going to stay all the way to the end, because at the end I will reveal this 5-step video creation process, and I should tell you that this is a 6-figure process. So you definitely want to learn this process. It is an essential skill in affiliate marketing. All right, so let's talk, before we talk about this process, let's first talk about why you should be using YouTube in your business. If you don't know, YouTube is a search engine. It is not like any other type of social media that's out there, meaning that, you know, YouTube sets itself apart because it's a search engine. Okay, I want you to if you don't remember anything that I'm talking about today, remember that YouTube is a search engine, meaning that millions of people every day are going to YouTube and they're typing in how to. They're looking for solutions to their problems. And you, as an affiliate marketer, have a unique opportunity to get paid by putting a solution in front of that person who's typing in how to whatever they're searching for, and they're looking for a solution, and you can be that solution that that person will be willing to transact money with to be able to solve their problem. So whatever your affiliate offer is, rather, you know, you have a credit repair company, somebody's typing in on YouTube every single day, millions of people, how to fix my credit. If you have weight loss offers, somebody's typing in how to lose weight. If you are in the make money online niche, there is somebody out there looking for a solution to their problem that's typing in how to make money online. And you can be the person that gets in front of these people who are literally typing in how to, okay? And I also want you to realize that YouTube search content is king, okay? I'll talk about this in another video, but people have a different intention. This is why people who with small YouTube channels, not a lot of views, can make thousands of dollars, because you don't need a lot of people to watch your videos to be able to make sales, right? You don't need to have millions of followers or things like that, right? And that's the why YouTube as a search engine versus other types of traffic, the intention is very different of the person who's on it, and that's the type of customer, the type of person that you want. They're searching for a solution. All right, and all you have to do is have your videos be put in front of them as a solution. All right, so I said all that, you know, so like I said, millions of people are searching, they're typing their fingers away, and they're searching for solutions to their problem, and you have that opportunity to get in front of them through your video content. So we're going to go over a 5-step process to get started making videos. And again, rather or not you want to show your face, you don't have to show your face. You can make faceless videos and make thousands of dollars with faceless videos. So we're going to go over that this 5-step process to get started making videos. So step number 1 is that you are going to download Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is one of the simplest. I mean, there are other screen share tools out there, knock yourself out if you know other ones, but I have been using Screencast-O-Matic for years. It's simple to use. It's a simple screen sharing tool that allows you to record simple screen share videos so that you can get your content out there. So step number 1 is going to be to download Screencast-O-Matic. You can find that tool at my resource link, which is screenshare.𝐻𝐸𝐷𝐿ikeShin.com, and you can download that tool. Okay, so that's step number 1. You have to have a tool to be able to record your videos, and there it is. Screencast-O-Matic is my recommended tool. All right. Step number 2 is that you're going to outline your video script, okay, so that you know what you're talking about. You're not all over the place in your video. So you can let me talk about your outline for your video script. So you want to follow You want to make sure your outline includes an intro, a body, and a conclusion / call to action. You can use either Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Google Slides to outline your video script. Okay, so again, you can use those resources, Word, PowerPoint, or Google Slides. My favorite personally is Google Slides. I love Google Slides, and it just allows me to keep everything in one place in my drive, and I can just make a slide for what I'm presenting on. Okay, step number 2, let's break down each one of these parts: the intro, the body, and the conclusion. So in your intro, you want to introduce yourself and your topic. So you could say something like, hey there, my name is, 𝐒𝐲𝐸𝐻𝐸 from, if you have a website, say it, paylikeshin.com, whatever your website. Welcome to my video. In today's video, I will be talking about how to make money online, or I will be reviewing XYZ opportunity, right? So that is as simple as it can get for introducing yourself in your video, right? So the next step is your body, right? You want to write out 3 to 5 talking points about whatever it is that you're talking about. So if you were doing a review of your Make Money Online opportunity, you will want to write out 3 to 5 talking points. These don't have to be long. They could be about 1 minute each or less. For each one of these talking points, you're essentially giving many tips, right? Or many tips that are valuable to give them a mini solution to their problem. And you're telling them if they want the full solution, your product, your service, your opportunity is the full solution, right? And that's what you're doing. So you're going to write out these 3 to 5 talking points about your topic in advance. It's going to help you stay on track as you talk about your topic, okay? And again, you can do that in either PowerPoint, Word, or Google Slides, okay? So that's going to be your body. Write out your 3 to 5 talking points about your topic. Or your conclusion is where you're going to recap or summarize your topic, and then you're going to give a call to action. A lot of affiliate marketers don't know what a call to action is. Your call to action is you're telling them, you've given them, some actionable things or actionable steps or things they need to know, some valuable information. And now you're telling them, hey, if you want to learn more or you want to get the full solution to this problem, here's where to go. You're telling them the next step, okay? So your call to action could be something like sign up for more information, download my report, buy my product, subscribe to my blog, whatever whatever next step you want them to take after they watched your video, you need to tell them in the video, okay? And then you want to thank them for watching your video and make sure that they subscribe to your channel, because your point isn't just to make videos, but to also build your subscriber base as well, and get that engagement going on your video. All right, so step number 3 is, now that you've outlined everything and so on and so forth, you want to actually then record your actual video, okay? And what you can do is you can record it in scenes based on your script. So I'm actually going to pause this because I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so in Screencast-O-Matic, right here at the bottom, you can see that there is a little Screencast-O-Matic button. When you're in Screencast-O-Matic, you can stop and pause your video at any point. What you could do is go ahead and record your introduction. Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Coach 𝐒𝐻𝐸 Turnipseed from whatever your website is. In today's video, you will learn blah, blah, blah. Then you can hit pause. I'm not going to actually hit the pause, but you can hit pause. You have now recorded your intro. You are done, okay, with your intro. The next thing is you want to then jump into the next part of recording your next scene. So you would, after you pause that, you would move into your body. So you would want to then talk about your 3 to 5 talking points. So my 3 to 5 talking points were this 5-step process for making videos, because we're talking about video marketing. So I just literally would talk about these things, okay? And when I'm done with that, I'm going to hit pause again. Okay, I'm done recording that part. Okay, now the next part, based on my script, is going to be the conclusion and the recap, right? That is where you want to summarize what you talked about and move people to where you want to go and give them a call to action. So in my example, I would go ahead and record my recap. So in today's training, the summary is, right, you're going to download Screencast-O-Matic, you're going to outline your video script, you're going to record your video scenes, and you're going to upload your video, right? Though that's the process. And my call to action is actually, that if you are looking to generate leads and sales in your affiliate business using YouTube, to visit my website, which is actually beneath this video. And you can also go there. It's rockwithvideo.paidlikeshin.com. And that's where you can learn about how you can generate leads and sales in your affiliate business using YouTube. So through this process, I hope you really understand you can use Screencast-O-Matic. If you have a process, and your process should be, go ahead and outline your video, keep it simple, use simple screen shares. You don't have to show your face, just like I've done in this video, and you record that video. You can even record it in parts, and then when you're done recording each piece, now you have one whole video. And again, that video can be as short as 5 minutes, right? And now you have video content that can begin to generate leads, because what's going to happen is people are going to watch your videos, you're going to give them your call to action, and that's going to begin to generate traffic to your link. They're going to begin to click on your link, get on your email list, go to your website, buy your products and things like that. And that's the process of you utilizing videos to turn those videos from leads into sales in your affiliate business using YouTube. All right, let me know your best takeaways in the comments beneath this video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button. And again, you can learn more about how to rock with video beneath this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.